If you are a man and you're struggling to grow your hair or your beard, today's video is going to target that issue, and most importantly, we are going to be using 3 ingredients that you can find around your home, but they are very effective and also cost effective. Now, if that's something that sounds interesting to you, then keep on watching. Hello lovelies, welcome back to Uzzielle TV. I hope you guys are doing great. Today we are going to look into the beauty side of things for the men. We are going to be targeting men who are struggling to grow their hair or who are struggling to keep their beard looking good and nice and attractive. I know some men who are using this remedy and they are beginning to see amazing results. So why don't you just head straight and I would introduce the ingredients to you. But first, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so that you are notified anytime I have wonderful uploads like this. Alrighty, so the first ingredient we will need is onions. You can use either the yellow onions or the red onions, but I find a lot of results from combining yellow and red onions. Onions are rich in sulfur, and that is a key building block for all hair fibers or follicles, including the facial hair. Onion juice can provide that extra sulfur, supports the hair follicles, and helps you have a stronger and thicker hair. Sulfur can also promote collagen production, and it is believed that onions helps in boosting circulation. A lot of the time, onions has been used for the treatment of alopecia. It has been used for inflamed, dry, or itchy scalp, hair loss, dandruff, and also premature graying of the hair. In fact, it's used for a whole bunch of stuff, even for scalp infection. So in order to get out the juice from the onions, what we would do is to cut half of each because we are using the yellow and the red onions. Just go ahead and chop it in such a way that it can fit your blender. And next we want to do the same thing for the other onions. Put it in your blender and blend. The next ingredient we are going to be using is ginger. So ginger juice contains some circulatory agents that helps to stimulate the blood flow on the scalp. It also triggers the hair follicles and encourages new growth. The 2 ingredients are powerful and can help you achieve growth. It can help you achieve a healthy looking hair. So you can either use a strainer or a cheesecloth. I highly recommend you use a cheesecloth because it is going to help you get out a lot of the juice as much as possible. But where you do not have a cheesecloth, you can strain it twice, and with the help of my hands I am squeezing out the juice as much as possible. After squeezing it out, this is what we have here. What you're going to do is to pour this into your spray bottle or your storage bottle. Whenever you want to apply on your beard or on your scalp, you pour out a little at a time and dampen it with a cotton ball and apply on your hair or on your beard. I recommend that you apply on your beard and leave it for at least an hour. Let it dry. Once it has dried, you wash it off with lukewarm water. Now once you are done, you can quickly go ahead and use your shampoo or your face wash or whatever you use to wash your face, to wash your beard, or if you do have a specific soap for your beard, go ahead and use that. And after you are done, the next thing to do is to apply a moisturizer, and in this case I recommend you use coconut oil. Coconut oil has got amazing benefits. Coconut oil can help you have a longer, thicker, and fuller beard. You will definitely see amazing results. And if you do find any results or you found today's video very helpful, go ahead and leave me comments in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe, turn on bell notifications, and until I come your way next time, keep loving, keep serving, and keep staying positive. Bye for now.
Tell you that I'll miss you if you go.